Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this brand new 2025 Yamaha 275 SD. The 275 SD is the flagship of the Yamaha boats, guys. The biggest, baddest boat they've got. Beautiful boat, guys. Full black side hull color with this nice racing red stripe that goes down the side. Definitely stands tall amongst other boats on the water. All blacked out with your rub rail and stainless insert. Docking lights are integrated in the side of the boat, as well as your pop-up cleats. Lots of nice features, and it comes with this Shorelander aluminum trailer ready for salt water. Guys, let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, the back of the 275 SD, just like other Yamahas, but much larger. Great spot for entertaining. You'll see you've got plenty of cup holders throughout back here. Nice lounge seats that slide forwards and backwards. So when you're hanging out here, slide them forward so you can extend your hangout area here on the back. You also have a nice remote for your stereo located right here, as well as a freshwater shower for rinsing off on the transom. Let's climb aboard. All right, guys, welcome aboard the Yamaha 275 SD. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see we've got your bow fuller cushions in here. Ton of room, guys, perfect for laying out, sunbathing. Also, you can pull these out and have additional lounge seats for hanging out. You also have these drop-down armrests as well. You'll also notice in your side pockets cup holders on both sides with speakers so you can hear your tunes. As you walk through the windshield here, you'll see this layout has the side-by-side captain's chairs with bolsters. Huge, large cockpit with wraparound seating with storage underneath all these seats. Nice little wet bar area here for entertaining and setting out a spread of food. Taking a look at the helm, guys, you'll see that this is the E-Series, so everything is all digital. Digital throttles, push button start, full-size connect screen, wireless phone charger, SD paddle shifters, and dock assist, all built in. Lastly, you see this nice fixed hard top with the sunroof, making this the ultimate day boat for partying and hanging out. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.